Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today I have a little bit of a haul for you. I recently came across the company Painted Polish. This is by Lexi. I came across them, I think it was on Instagram. I saw one of a post from another person that posted some of her new polishes, which I didn't actually get my hands on, unfortunately. And then I saw them on the polish pickup, and I kind of just wanted to get some of her polishes because they looked really nice and they had some different elements that I really wanted to try out. So I picked up 4 of them, and I just want to say that Lexi is a really nice, sweet girl that she helped me out with my order, so I really appreciate that. So definitely check her site out. I will leave the link to her website in the description box below, so definitely check her out. So she has some really nice indie polishes, so I'm going to show you kind of what I got. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So definitely the packaging is super cute. It even has her logo on the box, and then she put a little cute little thank you sticker, and everything is wrapped up super nice, so perfect. And then inside we've got some little cards and stuff here. So we've got this one that says thanks for your support, love Lexi, and then it's got some glitters on the other side. And then it looks like this is a magnet, so that's cute. So you got a painted polish magnet, very cute. And then this is all of her social media. So we've got, she's on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and that's her website. So definitely check her out because she has some really unique polishes. All of her polishes are 5 free, and it lets you know the ingredients there. But yeah, so all the good stuff there. These I purchased myself with my own money, so she did not send them to me for review or anything like that. So this is not sponsored in any way. I just thought I would do a video and kind of share with you her polishes. So I'm going to go ahead and open up all of the polishes, and we're going to check them out. Alright, so I have 4 different polishes that I'm going to show you, sort of in the color same range there. So I'm going to first show you this one here. So this is really pretty. So that is her logo on the front there. This one is called Here to Patty. So it's a very pretty, it's kind of got some rainbow flecks in it there. There's got some hollow in there. It's got kind of silver to gold shimmer to it. This is actually what I have on my nails. It is really nice. So this is 3 coats. I just wanted it really opaque over bare nails, or I guess a base coat. So really, really nice polish. I also did a swatch stick of it. So that is what it looks like up close. So you can see it is so pretty, like all that shine in there. Definitely a very glimmery polish. So yeah, that is Here's to Patty. So I think this was for St. Patrick's Day. So the next one I've got here is kind of like a bluish purpley kind of color. This one is called From the Pier with Love. I think she did kind of like an ocean or beachy kind of collection at one point. So this is one of those. So it's got some hollow in it, some purple, also really kind of gorgeous color. It's like a bluey purple. So this is that with 2 coats on it. You can get it to focus. So really, really pretty. I'm liking that color too. And then I got this polish here. So this is like a turquoise kind of glitter polish. This is more on like the more textured side when you actually put it on. So this one is called Waves and Wanderlust. I think that's from the same collection as the other one. I'm not 100% sure. I can't remember. So this is 2 coats of that. You can get it to focus. So also really, really nice. And it's not focusing again. So very pretty color. And then kind of the reason why I actually bought her polishes was because I saw, I think it was Dirty 30 or something like that, was a purple polish, but she actually sold out of it. Was one of the main reasons why I wanted to get it. But then I saw this one came out again. This one is called Sugar Rush Crush. I really liked the glitters in this because I thought they were really pretty. So I thought I would pick this one up. Very pretty. So it's got some rainbow like flaky glitters in there. Really neat color. definitely into the flaky glitters right now. So that is 2 coats of that one. So really, really nice. I didn't top coat any of these, so you can't really see the 100% shine, but kind of the main reason why I checked out her website was because of those flaky polishes, because I've seen a lot of them come out lately, but they're a little bit different, I found, with her, so I definitely wanted to check them out. But yeah, so I only got the 4 polishes from Painted Polish by Lexi. I'm definitely going to be trying these out. I really like the one that I have on my nails right now. It is really pretty. But yeah, so that's all I have for you today. I hope you liked watching this video, and thanks again, Lexi, for sending me these polishes, and yeah, all that good stuff. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.